Hello, and welcome back to another Onshape Tech Tip. My name is Nacho Martos, and today we will be looking at using emissions in Onshape, diffusing light, and creating our own studio lighting for rendering. In this example, we will emit a light using an IES profile. These are industry standard profiles for lights, meaning we can emulate a real light emission. We will use these emissions as the core of our light hood. So you can see the light is quite harsh. Let's add a diffuser. Diffusers allow us to soften emissions and manipulate the way the light is perceived. This can be done by reflecting the light, adding a tint, creating a directed projection, and more. Diffusing light properly is vital when we want to create a realistic light source. In this studio, we have used light to create an artificially lit environment. This allows you to better control your render and emulate a real-life studio. You can use this concept to create an assembly and easily substitute your subject, meaning that once you have the studio built, you can reuse it. This will allow you to create an array of different renders with very well-controlled light. As you can see, by changing the light hoods and the projections, we have a massively different contrast. And very quickly, we achieved unique results. This was another Onshape Tech Tip. Have fun rendering, and see you next week.